If you go hiking over Christmas or around the festive season, I've got a recipe for you. Today we're going to make protein gingerbread men. For this recipe you will need 125 grams of soft butter, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of golden syrup, 2 cups of plain flour, half a cup of vanilla protein powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 heaped teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a dash of vanilla essence. Step 1. Cream the butter and sugar together in a mixing bowl until combined. Step 2. Add the wet ingredients, including the egg, vanilla essence, and the golden syrup. Stir together with a spoon, or to speed this process up, use beaters if you have them. Step 3. Now add the dry ingredients, including the flour, protein powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Stir your mixture together until it starts to form a dough. Now that your mixture has formed a dough, I'm actually going to split this up and roll it into 4 balls into some cling wrap, and then put them in the fridge so they can chill out. Probably going to leave it in the fridge for about 4 hours. Step 4. After your dough has spent some time chilling in the fridge, turn on your oven to about 180 degrees Celsius. Roll out your mixture to about 4 millimeters thick. If your mixture starts to stick to the bench or the rolling pin, just add a bit of flour. Cut out your gingerbread men using a cookie cutter and place onto a lightly greased oven tray. Step 5. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes. If you like your gingerbread a bit softer, then go for 10 minutes. If you like your gingerbread a bit crunchier, then go for 15 minutes. Once your gingerbread men are out of the oven, you can put them on a cooling rack to help them cool down and get decorating. Now you can make your own icing. I cheated a little bit and bought this gingerbread kit from the supermarket as my piping bag isn't with me. But a basic recipe for icing would be 1.5 cups of icing sugar, 25 grams of soft butter, and a dash of water, followed by a few drops of food colouring to get the colours that you want. You can then put the icing inside a piping bag so you can easily control where the icing goes. But go crazy and have fun decorating. So once you have finished beautifully handcrafting all your little teammates, you are done. And hopefully they can keep you company on your next hike before you eat them.